Hey, I'm Caleb with Woodshop, and it would bring me a great amount of joy if you decided to stick around and join me in making this lovely little cheese board. And it's made out of an unknown type of wood, so maybe you can help me figure it out in the video. Without further ado, let's check it out. Welcome to Woodshop. Really fancy clipboard shop kit box.
All means Woodshop cheer.
Making this awesome beer mug for you, Dan. I did not think that I was going to be making a Technic. I'm actually really happy with this. I think it looks really nice. Hello there, my wonderful viewers. I wasn't going to do any more kitchen projects for a good minute now. I've already done 2 cutting boards lately. I wasn't going to fool around with that for a good minute. Something has come up. This magnificent board that came off a pallet. I found this at my job, and in the warehouse lighting I was thinking that this might be some like curly walnut, but I got it outside and in the sunlight I got to looking at it. And I could be wrong. Once we get this cut and sanded up, where we really take a good look at this wood when it's nice and clean, if I'm wrong, and you know what it is, please correct me. I think that this might be some figured mahogany. Rather than try to get all these nails out of the end, I'm just gonna cut off the rough ends on the table saw. Now I'm going to cut the length of the cheese board. That is what kickback looks like on a crosscut sled. This has become literally my most favorite way to sand using the belt sander. That is to screw down 4 pieces that are lower than my workpiece, and there's no clamps in the way. This doesn't run away from me, it stays put, and it works pretty good. Just a little tip. Still hard to tell. I've got a dovetail bit in here, and I'm doing 2 passes. So I'm doing a shallow pass here, and then I'm going to raise it up probably to the full depth. See, and look at the color of the shavings. That's not walnut color. What is this wood? Is it mahogany? Am I right? I'm gonna cut some legs out for the stand with some cherry. Man, that was stressful for some reason. I had a difficult time with it. It's time to attach these, and they are a bit tight, but I'd rather have a little too tight than a little too loose. No, you don't know what I'm saying. I don't know what I'm saying. What does Caleb got stuck in his head this week? Van Halen, Running with the Devil. Adam, maybe we can listen to that after we watch this video. A sexy dove. Okay, right now I've got my blade at like a 26-degree angle, and I'm gonna cut the legs with an angle on there. Now on to, and you guessed it, a buttload of sanding. I'm just going to apply some mineral oil to it. I still can't tell, but that wood looks fantastic. Oh, another thing I did that may not be to everyone's taste, since I kind of wanted this live edge front, I used the belt sander to kind of contour the legs and the dovetails to match that live edge. that is our cheese board. I'm very happy with it. It's a lovely little board. It's kind of got a rustic charm to it. Nice little cherry dovetails and the little live edge front. Cheese boards are a fun project because much like cutting boards, you can kind of make them however you want. You can have a small little one like this. This is another cheese board that I made, and I didn't make a video for this. If you enjoyed this project, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure and subscribe to Means Woodshop. I have new woodworking videos every Friday. Click the little notification bell too so you won't miss a video. That is it for our cheese board. I would encourage you to make your own. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you next time.